Conditional formatting is a very simple to use tool provided by Microsoft Excel. You can easily apply the inbuilt rules without writing any formula. One of the biggest limitations of inbuilt rules is that you can only format the cells on which you evaluate the conditions. However, at times, we need to apply formatting on a set of cells other than the cells where we evaluate the condition. You can do that using formulas. In this video, I'll explain how you can use formula to apply formatting on the same set of cells as well as a different set of cells. I'll explain the basic concept behind it so that you can use these fundamentals and extend it to your own use cases easily. We have this data for a number of laptops and phones sold by a company in different countries. The first thing that we need to do is highlight the highest or top 3 laptop units sold. We will do this first using the inbuilt rules before we use a formula. I'll begin by selecting the cells B2 to B11 as these contains the number of laptops sold. Go to conditional formatting and select top bottom rules. From the options we can select the top 10 items. Instead of 10, we will only highlight the top 3 sales numbers. I'll select an inbuilt formatting and press OK. As you can see, the top 3 sales numbers are highlighted. Now let's see, if we were to do this using formulas and conditional formatting, how would we go about it? There's a simple technique to using formulas and conditional formatting. The key is to write the formula in a cell and get it to return either a true or a false. If a true is returned, the conditional formatting will be applied. Let's write our formula in the column E to replicate our top 3 sales numbers. Now to do this, we need to evaluate if the sales value of laptops for a country is greater than or equal to the third largest sales value. This logic will return the top 3 values. We can find out the third largest sales value using the large function. We can write the expression as B2 is greater than or equal to large. Array is B2 to B11. That is all the sales values for laptops. Fix the row reference only. K is 3, which means the third largest value. Close the bracket and we get the answer as false. As we copy this formula, we get true and false corresponding each country's name. If you see carefully, you'll notice that we get the true value in the same rows where the values are already highlighted. Now to apply the conditional formatting using the formula, we need to first clear the existing formatting. To clear the existing conditional formatting, we'll go to conditional formatting, clear rules from the entire sheet. Now before we proceed, I will copy the formula as text. Control C or Command C. Now we will select the laptop units sold. Go to conditional formatting and click on new rules. Select the last option which says use a formula to determine which cells to format. Paste the formula. And we'll select a format. We'll just fill the cells with yellow backgrounds. Press OK. Again. And Excel highlights the top 3 laptop sales. Now that we've understood how does conditional formatting work with formulas, we can use it to apply formatting in any column. We are no longer restricted to apply formatting only on the column where we are evaluating the condition. Let's see how. In this scenario, we want to figure out which country had the lowest sales for phones, and we want to highlight the name of the country and not the value. Let's first begin by writing the formula. Our condition is simple. We need to evaluate if the value in the current cell is the smallest value. So we will check if C2 is equal to the smallest value or C2 is equal to min of C2 to C11. Fix the reference. We get the value as false. I'll copy it to the other cells. And the formula indicates that France has had the lowest sales in phones. Now we need to highlight the name France this time and not the value of units sold. So just like last time, I'll copy the formula as text. Select all the country names. We select the names as we need to format the names this time. Go to conditional formatting and click on new rule. Select the user formula to determine which cells to format option. Paste the formula and select a formatting of your choice. Press OK. And we can see that country name France is now highlighted. So this is how you can format data in any column based on data from other columns. Hope this was helpful for you. We have covered the fundamentals here, which should give you the flexibility to use conditional formatting for any scenario that you may have. Thanks for watching, and until next time.